Welcome to BaytBushra. I'm Bushra and this is my home. Today we're making tabouleh. If you have always wanted to learn how to make tabouleh, this is the video for you. It's so simple, so easy, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to need today. So first you're going to need some bulgur, bendora, khas, khiyar, nana, baqdounis, rumman, lemon. Okay, let's try that one more time. You're going to need bulgur, tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, mint, parsley, pomegranate, and lemon. Thanks, J-Hope. Okay, so this is the bulgur that I'm using. It's called the number 1. That's what they call it. Basically, the finest bulgur you can find in the store. And I measured this in my teacup, actually. It comes up to about 1/3 of a cup. You want to put it in a smaller bowl because you need to wash it. And you will probably want to wash it like 3 or 4 times, just until all the little dust particles and floaties go away. The first ingredient we will dice up is the tomato, and I do this so that I can put it on top of my bulgur. The bulgur is going to soak up and fluff up with the flavor of the tomato, so it's going to be really, really flavorful. And then next I want to take my mint, and since my mint came from the garden, I'm actually going to soak it really well and wash it enough so that all the dirt is gone. And then you want to pick off all of the leaves. So the mint stem is very woody and not tasty at all. It's bitter, so we just want the leaves, and they're going to be so fragrant. And then next you want to, of course, soak and clean your parsley really well. This is the main ingredient, so make sure you take care of it well. Next we have the khas, the lettuce, and lettuce is a good option if you want to make your parsley go a lot further, like you need to make for a large group of people. You can put very finely chopped lettuce into your tabouleh. Next we're going to go in with the cucumbers. You want to finely dice them, as you see right here. They're so beautiful. So in Homs they use cucumber, in Damascus they do not, just different variations. All right, and now you have your parsley. So parsley should be washed very well and then laid out to dry. You want to arrange the parsley so that the leaves are at the top and that the stems are at the bottom, because the stems are really tough and not tasty. And so we want to cut off all the stems and we want to keep all of the leaves. Do you see how I made a little tree here? And then you leave all of the leaves on the top and then all of the stems at the bottom. You want to trim that, and then you want to nicely finely dice the leaves. I like to roll them a little bit so that it's easier for me to hold all of the leaves. It's important that you try your best to only get one pass, like one slice for the leaves. You don't want to slice your leaves too many times. Like if you've already sliced it, don't go back and slice it. That will just bruise the parsley. And you see they're super, super fine. I've just put them all here into my large bowl. And this is the mint. I've just chopped it as fine as you can get it. You want to chop it as fine as you can get it. And then that completes our tabouleh. We're going to assemble now. There are pomegranates hopefully still in the grocery stores. And so if you can get some, it elevates the flavor of your tabouleh so much. It's definitely a fancy ingredient to add in the tabouleh, pomegranate. But if you don't have pomegranate near you, or it's just not in season, don't worry, it's still going to taste delicious. So to season your tabouleh really doesn't need much. A lot of the flavor comes from the herbs that you've added. Hey guys, you just want to decorate this because beautiful food is good food, but even if your food is not beautiful, I'm sure it's going to taste good. I don't usually decorate, of course, for the purposes of a YouTube video. I have to decorate, and it just looks gorgeous. So these lettuce leaves, I like to put them around. A lot of times you'll make like a salad sandwich with the leaves, so you just take a large leaf of lettuce and you stuff it with tabouleh, and then you eat it, and oh my god, it is so delicious. I think I ended up with 3 lemons for this amount of tabouleh, and you'll need some olive oil and some salt, and that's it, my friends. Like, enjoy your tabouleh. If you make it, make sure you tag me on Instagram. If you want to see more voiceover videos like this, let me know. I'm still kind of trying to play with the format. Leave a comment in the comment section below of what recipes you'd like to see me try next, and I will see you next time, inshallah.